Hello everybody, welcome back. So we did our fall overseed 2 days ago. So I figure I'd give you a little progress video to see how over the next couple of weeks the grass comes in. So right now we're at 2 days after the overseed, 5 days after overseeding. Eight days after overseeding. 11 days after overseeding. You see the grass is coming in really well. We had some help with the watering, a few rainstorms. But yeah, it's looking great. And be ready for our first mow soon. And here we are 2 weeks after overseeding. As you can see, grass came out pretty nice looking. Filling in. So even using Scott's products, you could have decent results as long as you do it correctly. Probably give this another couple days. I'll give it its first mow. Thanks again. Take care.